Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In this tutorial, we will discuss common issues related to random freezing or hanging when using ZeroMQ in Python. ZeroMQ is a powerful messaging library that allows you to create scalable and high-performance distributed applications. However, incorrect usage of ZeroMQ can lead to unexpected issues, such as random freezing or hanging. We will explore the possible causes of these problems and provide solutions with code examples. ZeroMQ is a high-performance asynchronous messaging library that allows you to build distributed and scalable applications. It provides various socket types, pub, sub, req, rep, etc., to create different communication patterns. Random freezing or hanging in a ZeroMQ-based application can be caused by a few common mistakes. Unclosed sockets. Not closing ZeroMQ sockets properly can lead to resource leaks and unexpected behavior. Blocking operations. Blocking operations without timeouts can lead to the application becoming unresponsive when it's waiting for data that may never arrive. Deadlocks. Using multiple sockets in a non-threaded application can lead to deadlocks if not handled correctly. Always ensure that you close ZeroMQ sockets properly when you're done using them. This helps to release any allocated resources. When using blocking socket operations, it's essential to implement timeouts to prevent the application from hanging indefinitely. This can be done using the poll method. In this code example, we demonstrate improper socket termination by not closing the socket and the context properly. In this code example, we use polling with a timeout to avoid hanging when waiting for incoming data. In this tutorial, we've explored common causes of random freezing or hanging in Python ZeroMQ applications and provided solutions to prevent such issues. Proper socket termination and implementing timeouts using polling are essential techniques for creating stable and responsive ZeroMQ applications. By following best practices and understanding the inner workings of ZeroMQ, you can build robust and reliable distributed systems. ChatGPT. Title: Troubleshooting Random Freezing/Hanging Issues in Python ZeroMQ. Introduction. Random freezing or hanging issues can be a frustrating problem when working with ZeroMQ in Python. ZeroMQ is a powerful messaging library, but improper usage or configuration can lead to these issues. In this tutorial, we'll explore common causes of random freezing or hanging in Python ZeroMQ applications and provide solutions with code examples. Prerequisites. Before we begin, ensure you have the following prerequisites. Common causes of freezing/hanging. Blocking operations. ZeroMQ operations like req can block indefinitely if not handled properly. Ensure you handle these operations using non-blocking techniques, timeouts, or threading if necessary. Incorrect socket configuration. Misconfigured socket options can cause hangs. Make sure you set socket options appropriately, such as ZeroMQ.reqDaemio for receive timeouts. Lack of heartbeating. ZeroMQ sockets need proper heartbeating to maintain connections. If heartbeats are not sent or received, connections might freeze. Multithreading issues. If you are using ZeroMQ in a multi-threaded application, ensure thread safety. Race conditions and deadlocks can lead to hanging. Firewall or network issues. Network issues, such as firewalls, can lead to random freezes when working with ZeroMQ sockets. Ensure network configurations are set correctly. Solutions and code examples. Non-blocking receive. To avoid blocking on a req operation, set a timeout using the ZeroMQ.reqDaemio socket option. Here's an example. Heartbeating. Implement heartbeating between your ZeroMQ sockets to keep connections alive. Here's an example with pub sub sockets. Multithreading safety. When using ZeroMQ in a multi-threaded application, use appropriate synchronization mechanisms like locks or threading to prevent race conditions. Ensure proper socket sharing between threads. Network and firewall configuration. Check your network and firewall settings to ensure that ZeroMQ communication is not being blocked by network policies. Ensure that the required ports are open. Conclusion. Random freezing or hanging issues in Python ZeroMQ can be challenging to diagnose and solve. By following best practices, handling blocking operations, setting socket options, implementing heartbeating, ensuring multithreading safety, and checking network configurations, you can reduce the likelihood of encountering such problems and create more robust and reliable ZeroMQ applications. ChatGPT.